Hello guys! Good evening! And shout out pala sa mga viewers ko na nanonood ng aking mga videos. So today's ganap guys is mag-unbox tayo. So samahan niyo ako mag-unbox ng aking i-unpack na ito. Which is this. Ayan. So without further ado guys, i-unbox na natin siya. Huwag na natin patagalin. So let's do this. So, meron tayong gunting para easy lang tayo mag-unbox or mag-unpack nito. Okay, so let's have it now. Alright, so meron tayong bell mga guys. Ito yung bell. Ayan. Then, meron tayong again, spell the word. So, ito yung box. So, bubuksan din natin tong box, guys. Okay, guys. Parang mahirap siya buksan, guys. Wait a minute lang. Yan, na-open na natin siya, guys. So, meron siyang bag. Meron siyang bag, guys. Ayan. Then, ito yung cards niya. Ayan, meron siyang cards, guys. Okay, tingnan natin yung cards. P. Ayan. Then, meron tayong mga dog. Cake. Bag. Ant. Bike. Diba? At marami pa dito, guys. So, marami tayong cards. Then, ito yung mga letters. Ayan. Mga cubes. Cubes with letters on it. Ayan. So, maganda siya. Then, the rest are here, guys, sa box. Ayan. Right. So, let's have these cards, guys. So, there are plenty of cards here. Ayan. So, i-vlog ko yung kung paano i-execute ang game na to. So, that's it, guys. So, yung laman nito is yung bell, then yung cards, then yung cubes with the letters on it. Ayan. In different colors. And then may bag. Ayan. So that's all guys about our vlog for today's evening. Thank you for accompanying me in this vlog. God bless guys. See you on my next vlog in playing this cards and the cubes and the bell. That's it. Bye.